Третий класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Веселье в школе. Страница 128-129. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. Fun at school. Page number 128, 129. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late. And I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 128. We must do exercise number 1. Listen and write the days. There is one extra day. Послушайте и запишите, какой день недели соответствует каждой картинке. Один день лишний. The answers. Monday, Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Sing along. Holiday rock. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock's fine. Any time. It's holiday time. Morning, evening, noon or night. It's holiday. The time is right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday's fine. Any time. It's holiday time. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 129. Fun at school. Set your clocks. Exercise number 3. Look at the map and complete the sentences. Веселье в школе. Установи время на часах. Посмотри на карту и дополни предложение. When it's 12 o'clock noon in London, it's a.m. p.m. The answers. 3 p.m. in Moscow. 2 p.m. in Cairo. 9 a.m. in Rio de Janeiro. 7 a.m. in New York. 10 p.m. in Sydney. 9 p.m. in Tokyo. 1 p.m. in Madrid. 4 a.m. in Los Angeles. Boys and girls, do exercise number 4. It is 12 o'clock noon in Moscow. Find out the times in other cities, countries where your friends and relatives live. It is 12 o'clock noon in Moscow. Find out the times in other cities, countries where your friends and relatives live. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. in the sky. Even my name is so clear, butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. My soul, much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Close a goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Close a goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing, my soul, much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Close a goodbye, please